is gonna win!
Africa is gonna win!
Long live People's War!
Long live People's War!
People's War is gonna win!
People's War is gonna win!
Hello K-Hair Gorgeous, it's me Camille from K-Hair Vietnam. As you can see, I am extremely excited for the upcoming African Liberation Day 2022. And next, I will give you some extra information about this day in case you haven't heard or haven't known about it, as well as to show our honor to this amazing tradition of celebrating this day of the African community. So what are you waiting for? Let's join me in our videos. Africa Day, formerly African Freedom Days and African Liberation Day, is the annual commemoration of the foundation of the Organization of African Unities on 25 May 1963. It is celebrated in various countries on the African continent, as well as around the world. The organization was transformed into the African Union on the 9th of July in 2002 in Durban, South Africa, but the holiday continued to be celebrated on the 25th of May. In celebrating the day, the AU develops a theme. Moreover, African diasporas also celebrate the day through various activities, including a symposium of international speakers, a march and rally, edutainment, which is education through cultural entertainment. And this shows that Africa Day is widely observed on a global scale by various African communities. The theme for African Freedom Day 2020 is Preparing for a Leap Forward to Worldwide Pan-African Unity. Neocolonialism must be dismantled. The events based on this theme are going to be held in many parts of Africa, including Kenya and Tanzania, which include South Africa and many more countries. Moreover, it is also held in African community in many more other countries, for example, like Maryland in the USA and the North Arlington, for example. The celebration of African Days give an opportunity to remember the great historical achievement of the Pan-Africanists and founding fathers of the Continental Organization. Moreover, it gives a chance to look forward to Africa's development, peace, and security. Different countries observe the day with various activities such as panel discussion, speeches by Pan-Africanists and political leaders, rallies, cultural entertainment, poetry, special lectures, and the like. K-Hair Vietnam, despite not being a part of Africa, would like to share our sensory joy and happiness with all of our African customers on these special days. Here is a card as a small gift from us to our customer. Hope that our lovely customer will be forever happy and joyful as you are today. K-Hair has been and will always be your good company as well as your good friends. Hope that we can cooperate with more and more customers from African in the future.
And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. And once again, happy African